What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Swimming Lessons with Jbeck. This time around, I had Lacey, Lori, and I also had my first adult. I had their mother as well, so stay tuned to see my first adult. But right now, I'm working with Lacey, working on her kicking when she swims. This is her little sister. This was the baby of the bunch. This is Miss Lori. Lori gave me a very hard time. This was their first day, and as you can see, Lori was not fooling with the water at all. She didn't want to kick. As you can see, look how slow she's kicking. She literally gave me a hard time, but keep watching. Just keep watching. Look at her. She didn't want to put her face on the water. But as we progress to I want to say the second, third week, this is Miss Lori. This is the same baby y'all seen earlier. Only 3 years old, and she is swimming in 8 feet of water. She jumps out the diving board and swims
Good job,
to the ladder.
lady. Good job.
This is Lacey. Now, Lacey can use better technique than this, but Lacey is a very, very talented swimmer, so I let her do her own thing. I know she knows how to properly swim. She jumped off the diving board and swam well to the short end of the pool. This is Lori again. This is that same 3-year-old earlier in the video. This time she swims to the ladder again.
To the ladder. Good. Great.
Right here we have a little competition between Lacey on the left, Lori on the right. I want y'all to see just how comfortable Lori became in the pool. Like, she's looking at her sister while she's swimming to the wall.
I win!
And for all you adults out there that think you are too old to learn how to swim, it's too late. Check out Miss Kelly. Miss Kelly had a fear of deep water. On this day, she faced that fear. Not only did she face it, she conquered it.
Swim.
Right here, she swims all the way to the short end.
That's perfect.
Not only did she just swim regular in deep water, in 8 feet of water,
You got it. On your back first.
but she also swam on her back in an 8 feet pool, flipped over, and swam all the way to the short end of the pool. For all adults, you're never too old to learn how to swim. Take that from Miss Kelly. I want to thank everyone for tuning in again. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe, share, comment, and God bless.